I'm Srini from the product marketing team here at Cohesity. Today I have Apollo from Cohesity's product management team.
Hello.
Today we'd like to talk about how Cohesity empowers developers and testers by leveraging backed up data directly on the Cohesity cluster itself. You can use Cohesity as a pipeline to accelerate application development, reduce app defects, and even for training data to create more accurate machine learning models. Today, organizations are facing a number of challenges in their move to releasing applications faster. Number one, the infrastructure for development and testing is fragmented. As you can see here, enterprises are dealing with several silos and multiple copies scattered across different environments, from development and operations, to AI and reporting, to even sandboxing environments. Number two, the infrastructure is fragmented, and as a result, the time it takes to release applications is prolonged. The most time-consuming phase now in teams is obtaining and refreshing datasets used for development and testing. It takes some teams days, even weeks, to get their hands on fresh, up-to-date data. Lastly, data sprawl is a big security threat. This can lead to an increased chance of a security breach and compliance issues. Cohesity solves these challenges head on. So Apollo, how does Cohesity help accelerate application development and the quality of development?
So we do this by empowering the dev and test team in three different ways. One is seamlessly extend the existing backup copies to be leveraged in their production environment, a non-production environment, including dev and tests in a controlled manner. Second is basically enable users to create instant zero clone copies into so that their engineers can basically spend more time doing development and testing versus waiting for the data. And then third is allows you to basically mask the production data. So that means that you're actually using real data instead of synthetic data for doing of your development and testing, which can lead to better quality of the application. To sum it all up, it allows you to speed your development and testing of your application.
Absolutely, Apollo. Rapid access to high-quality training datasets is the foundation for development today. As you were talking about how Cohesity simplifies development and testing, I couldn't help but realize how this is applicable to machine learning as well. High-quality, relevant datasets is the difference between an inaccurate and an accurate model. Cohesity can be a pipeline to solve the biggest challenge in enterprise machine learning today, a lack of high-quality training data.
Absolutely. This is as simple as having on-demand data, the production data for your reporting needs, for your experimentation and iteration, and it allows them to use the clone copies into many different ways.
So Apollo, how does Cohesity simplify data management and infrastructure?
So one way that they simplify that is having your sprawl data all into one single location, into one single data platform. So the key issues of data management is the data fragmentation, and basically tools they use to manage that and manage that data. So Cohesity provides a single kind of platform that simplifies your automation, management, and data and protection of your data.
Apollo, security is big. How does Cohesity simplify compliance and security with its new capabilities?
So Cohesity simplifies them in three different ways. One is to basically having the visibility and control over these data, and for the admin the ability to either revoke the access or control the data to control the data. Second, with vulnerability management, you can identify threats and prevents them from propagating from your non-production data. And third is for your data privacy and security. Customers have the ability to leverage data masking that allows you to hide your sensitive data, and before you actually expose them to your data to your dev and test team.
That makes perfect sense. It's crystal clear that Cohesity simplifies application development, reduces infrastructure complexity, and bolsters security. Thanks so much, Apollo, and thanks everyone for watching.